little video of inside that trunk. Look at this. You gotta be careful. I don't even want to put dust in there. Nowhere. Look at this. I got the wires hung up out of the way. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is no joke. People want a superior job. I replaced all the seam seal. Look at that. Them are seams factory. You see the little welds. You see them? You see the divots, the welds? Look at that. Look at that. See the divots? The 1/2-inch welds? Look at this. Very impressive, people. Highly recommended Duplicolor trunk paint. You go with the color that suits your needs. You get it done the real way. This is like doing it with epoxy. When this is hard, well, let me tell you, you won't have to worry about anything. Yeah. Yes. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. Show Mark Warman, Graveyard Cars. This is a Star GSS. 1972 Dodge Charger. Factory 400. Air conditioning. I'll open the door and show you the headlight package. Show you how pretty she really is. She's not the original color, but she's not bad. Look at this. Look at this. Mark Warman, Graveyard Cars. Tell me what you think in the comment department. You got some nice cars, Mark. There's my Dodge over there in my truck. See it, Mark? She's the snow dozer, Erie, PA. Here's the other one I got. This right here is a matching number. 340. Pulled out, rebuilt, put back in. Look at this. Excuse my driveway, everybody, as we can't have everything. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. Look at this. Not even kidding. Very pretty. I'll run around real quick. I got stuff on the seat, but I'll show you the interior. Got a couple receipts I can get out the way. Turn signal blinker. But look at this, everybody. My wipers are in the back. Excuse the mud. The floor mats, as I got two just to keep it from getting dirty. And there's your back interior. I got that V-body book. Oh, don't want to lose the AutoZone receipt. Lord knows we don't want to do that. Till next time, everybody. Please like, share, and subscribe.